Hello and welcome to another one of our product review videos. Today we're going to be reviewing a gun foam made by DOW. Let's see, Insta Stik. This is Insta Stik MP multi-purpose fast cure, and it's for fixing plasterboard, insulation board, floorboard, shower room. So basically, it's like a gun foam, but it's got adhesive properties to it.
So we're putting a door frame in, door casing, and we're making this into a little toilet ensuite. I've read about this, it's in reviews. It's $12.99 tin, normal foam's £5, but apparently sticks anything. So I'm prepared to give it a go because I know that it's going to save me a lot of time positioning, even something to position something correctly. So let's just take the door frame down or let it fall down, one or two. Right. I have positioned this with this foam in there. Basically I've just squirted behind a bead on it.
Oh, you just put a bead on the back of it and put it on, okay.
Yeah, basically done this. Yeah.
Okay.
Levelled it all up because it goes rock hard as well. Put some shims in there and then filled it with the foam itself. Right, so that is literally just attached to the wall without any... we are going to put concrete bolts in because I haven't used this product before. We are going to put them in, but at the moment it's just got this on its own.
It gives you a good seal as well, doesn't it? That's the other benefit of using it. It's pretty... Can't move it.
That is solid, and in all reality I doubt that'll ever come off. So people use this for putting plasterboard up and all sorts, but if you're on your own like I am at the moment, was on my own, it's great for lining things up, sticking it, just leaving it and then moving on to the next bit like a jigsaw puzzle. So I would give this 10 out of 10, and it really does what it says on the tin. And I've seen other reviews where people said, oh, just have one. It's 13 quid, but the trouble it will get you out of and the ease and the things it will speed up, it's just not worth not having it. But you need to get the gun kit with it.
You can get the gun from Screwfix,
yeah.
About 20 quid.
Yeah, absolutely brilliant.
We are going to stick plasterboard and stuff as well, aren't we?
Yeah,
we're not just doing
I'm
wood.
just going to stick, when I've built the frame, I'm going to use this and I'm going to stick the plasterboard on with this. I won't probably even bother using plasterboard screws, so then I won't have to fill or anything. We do the same with the ceiling as well.
Yeah, it's quite messy in there at the moment.
So for time saving, I've got to say, I've been DIYing for 30 years plus, and that's one of the best products I've used.
So if you're thinking about buying it, as we say, it adheres quite well. That piece of wood isn't moving with it stuck on the back, so that's quite a good test of it.
I mean, I've just literally done this one before we did a video. So
we've done it on that one as well. But you can't move it,
a little bit because I haven't filled the gaps, but this one has been on probably 15 minutes. That's just
solid. And you get a good seal as well, don't you?
I'm really impressed with it.
Yeah, okay.
Anyway, I hope that's helped somebody deciding, or they want to stick some plasterboard up, some wood to the wall and struggling. It's better than, you know, you sort of...
Does it hold it there as well? When you put a bit on the back, does it hold it?
Yeah, just press it a little bit.
And it holds it, okay, that's important, yeah.
So it's better than your conventional, you know, green stuff in a tube that's grey and other stuff like that.
Okay.
Yeah, you know, using a mastic gun, it's better than that.
Okay, right. Thanks for watching.